कोर्ट मास्टर सर, कोर्ट मास्टर सर।
Well, I may be permitted to mention one matter. But this is the first appeal against the judgment passed by the Leonard Court below. The interim order was passed, it was not extended. So I need to mention on this court. Obliged.
In this particular matter, Samantha sir is something, you have the petitioner, is appearing to the VC.
What is
Lord,
it?
I am appearing on PC.
What do you want?
This matter can be fixed on 90th, will be presenting in.
On 19th.
Lord, I shall be there physically, Lord, on 19th, subject to my Lord's pleasure.
This matter item, Lord, this matter was moved before the principal bench, my Lord. As the circuit was commencing from 17, so principal bench has transferred the matter to this circuit court.
Is this in the list or not?
No, it is not in the list.
No, it should have been in the list, Lord. It has not come in the list. Let it come in the list on 19th, fairly at the top, Lord, subject to my Lord's pleasure.
Fine, fine.
I am grateful to your lordships. Lord, there is one other matter, Lord, item number 62 of my Lord's list, division bench list, Lord.
Yes.
Lord, this matter, Lord, has been hanging fire for quite some time, Lord. Let it be taken up on the 19th or 20th, subject to my Lord's pleasure, Lord. Mr. Rakesh Kumar is there on the other side.
I'm for the respondent, my Lord, as
Yes.
subject to lordship's convince any date.
No, he is for the he is for the petitioner, my Lord, the administration. I'm for the respondent.
And the order passed by the tribunal by virtue of an writ petition, my Lord. The other side has been served.
If it can be taken up, Lord, on that day, Lord, then I can come over and do that matter also.
Okay.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
On request made by the learned counsel for the respondent.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
On request made by the learned counsel for the respondent. List on 19th.
No, Blair.
No.
Prayer lordships, you mentioned similar situation happening in 48 is a matter which has been preferred by the administration of current friend of the. We are one of the respondents, and the other respondent is my current friend senior. But the matter involving a question of the auto rickshaw permits. So it directly affects livelihood of people in the animals. This appeal has been pending for a year now. If it is not reached within this week, then it will be fixed anytime for hearing audience.
Okay.
There is some urgency in the.
We'll keep it on the list and see if it reaches.
Let us see if it reaches
Uh-huh.
this week, otherwise it may be fixed.
This item 48. Who's you are appealing for?
There are two
Respondent.
sets of respondents. One set I am appear, one set they are.
Okay.
Or the two writ petitions.
And
my Lord.
who is the?
I am for the appellant, my Lord. The administration is for the appellant. We
You are
for
the appellant. You have any objections
No,
for?
my Lord. I-
Okay, on request made by the learned counsel for the respondents. List on, where's the calendar? Yeah. We'll have it on Monday,
Ma'am,
24th.
if
No, Blair.
Yesterday was flying.
Lord, this is an appeal against the order passed by the London Central Administrative Tribunal, whereby the tribunal allowed the claim of the respondents herein by granting the compensatory allowance on two aspects, my Lord. One, they say that the Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, the fire constables, those are working in Jammu Kashmir, they are getting the compensatory allowance and risk allowance. But the other aspects with regard to other union territories, they are not being granted with such benefits. So our defense was that not the Jammu and Kashmir is a special status granted by the government of India. So that principle cannot be applied to the union territories of Andaman, Nicobar and other aspects. So we have been served. The other side is duly appearing through virtual mode. Melody is fixing a date for hearing, it can be disposed of. This is the only issue which has to
Who
be.
appeals? Appellant, respondent?
But Mr. Bharat Bhushan used to appear from Calcutta through virtual mode.
Is he online? No. You have served notice?
Yes, my lord. He has appeared. Last occasion he has appeared, my lord. They sought adjournment also on last occasions.
Let us see the file. Okay. Heard land counsel for the applicant, for the petitions. None appears for the respondents. Next week,
Yes.
list on, give a date on Tuesday.
Obliged.
Item number 2, WBC 17 of 2025.
Item number 2, my senior appears for the petitioner, claim for next week.
Answer the respondent.
On request made by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. List on Wednesday date.
Obliged.
Item number 3, WBC 23 of 2025.
Lord, in terms of the direction passed with this court, we have filed our affidavit in opposition against the writ petition. The other side has granted time to file their reply. If they are.
If you file your reply, how much time do you require? Next circuit bench. Learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed. Is permitted to file reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Stop list before the next circuit bench.
Obliged.
Item number 4, WBC
Same position, Lord. I got the reply, my lord. If my lord is fixing a date for hearing, subject to my lord's kind convenience.
Okay. Pleadings are complete. List the matter for hearing. When? Circuit bench next or
As my lord said, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
you want it tomorrow?
As lordship pleases, my lord, any date subject to lordship.
We don't press it. 24th. 24th.
Monday, 24th.
20. 25th. Yeah. 25th.
Obliged.
Item number 5, WBC 25 of 2025.
But the 5, 6 and 7 are identical matters, my lord.
Many time
For
for only.
For filing reply, they have to file.
Price ready, but we have to confirm from the clients.
okay, learned counsel for the petition is allowed a week's time to file reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Next circuit bench, let's
Obliged.
before the next. Same orders, 5, 6, 7.
Yes,
Same
my lord,
order.
identical matter.
Item number 8,
My lord, in item number 8, my lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the my lord added respondent. Although my lord, the writ petition my lord has not indicated which respondent I am. Well, my lord, leave was granted by the honorable bench to my lord at 2 private respondents. Lord, I have been not served with the copy of the writ petition, but I have not been indicated which respondent number I am. I am my lord appearing for Mr. Piyush Arya.
Hmm?
Piyush Arya, my lord.
Piyush Arora.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent
Piyush Arya, my lord. I am not aware, my lord, which respondent number I am.
number 7.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
Who's appearing for eight?
And this is that will be taken on 25th, Lord. 25th of this.
How about you? Respondent seven, are you ready for on 25th? Respondent seven, are you ready for 25th?
My lord, before that, my lord, I want to, my lord, indicate one thing, my lord. Recently, my lord, I have been, my lord, given the appointment letter, my lord, by the, my lord, the Union of India, my lord. My lord, the issue is that my so far as my appointment letter is concerned, my lord, it says, my lord, that it will be, my lord, subject to the outcome of the original application. Now, my lord, kindly envisage today, my lord, if I join, and tomorrow, my lord, if something happens in the tribunal, then, my lord, my job is, my lord, at stake. So, my lord, what I pray before your lordship is that let my joining be done after, my lord, disposal of the, my lord, case.
That's why we're asking you, are you ready for 25th?
25th, my lord.
Yes.
25th, my lord, I am ready, my lord. And, my lord, I would be not seeking any earlier date, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, my lord, kindly, my lord, envisage, my lord, my situation. My lord, I have, my lord, I have been given, my lord, appointment letter. I am, my lord, unable to, my lord, join. Difficulty was today, if I join and tomorrow my service is made subject to the, my lord, decision of the court, my lord. I am not, my lord, able to take a suitable, my lord, decision.
Got your point. We've got your point. Are
Lord,
you
the
ready?
issue is that, Lord, this is a post pertaining to the labor inspectors. There are two posts of labor inspectors. It is lingering on before the tribunal for quite long period of time. On last,
Respondent seven expresses some
Yes,
urgency
yes.
in the matter.
yes, my lord.
Respondent eight wants it on 25th.
Yes,
Are we ready?
no, ready, my lord. It is a ready matter.
We'll have it on 25th then. On
My
the,
lord.
by the parties. Release the matter on 25th.
I'm extremely obliged. Obliged.
Grateful, my lord.
Oh, yes. It's my turn.
Item number 9, WPC 50/2025.
Lord, yeah, I am appearing for the respondents. My lord. Last circuit, this honorable court has directed us to file our affidavit and oppositions against the writ petition. My lord, Lord, I think its time is not over, or I may be permitted to extend the time, Lord, because I required some more time to file my
How
affidavit.
much time do you require?
Lord, 3 weeks time has to be required. Lord.
Okay, learning counsel for the respondent is allowed another 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Obliged.
Please, before the next circuit bench.
Item number 10, Series 2 of 2025.
Madam, it's my item by series appearing on behalf of SLS only, madam. People not putting that.
Not today.
Item number 11, Series 3 of 2025.
Same order.
Item number 12, SCT of 2025.
It's for admission or formal rule, second appeal. The after it can. Yeah,
You have for the appellant?
and the appeal.
They have please.
It's 19.
On request made by the. Are you ready on day after two? On request made by learning counsel for the appellant? List on 19th.
Item 13, item 40, SCT 7 of 2025. Item 40.
My lord and my senior affairs for the petitioner may be fixed.
Which item is this? Item 13. Item 14.
That is already fixed.
Okay. When do you want?
Next week.
Okay, on request made by learning counsel for the appellant. List on 26.
Item number 15, Deputy 8 of 25.
From here for the,
And for the respond number 1 to 8 lots. So I say tomorrow, not tomorrow.
but there would be one legal hurdle. But, the first appeal normally, when this item was filed before the district judge, the coordinate bench of this court have held that in lieu of pecuniary limit more than 1,50,000, first appeal lay before the Honorable High Court. He filed it. Now the matter is pending before the Supreme Court and the matter is pending for the larger bench of our court to decide as regards the pecuniary limit of the district judge to entertain first appeal. I have straight away come to this court pursuant to an order of this court. So this issue as regards the pecuniary limit needs to be gone into yet by the larger bench. So may I say one thing, Lord, till the issue is decided, the larger bench is in decision of the matter. It will take time, Lord. Because if ultimately
Before the Supreme Court.
the Supreme Court has stayed the order of this court and the larger bench decision is awaited.
Hmm.
And larger bench of our court is in season. That's only the
So. So let it go out of the list.
So that's exactly what.
Okay, what I submit the related tomorrow, that's I will satisfy your motion. Because the statute is clear. So far as the appeal is concerned. So
No, once the larger bench is taking up the matter, how can we take up tomorrow?
let the judgment come before your law.
Motion would be the same.
What is the parameter of the judgment? Let it be tomorrow. I will also assist.
Are you sure? Okay, we'll see. Not today.
I'll bring all the orders notes.
Item 16. 9 of 125.
16 is the second appeal. This is connected with item number 21.
Okay.
And I will proceed with this.
How about the other side?
Second appeal, unless this court admits under 41.
Oh, it's not yet admitted. Okay, this why it is. Substantial question of law has been framed.
I have posed in my memo.
Where's your proposed?
Takes up the memo of appeal.
Hmm.
Now I will find.
Page 3.
Yes. Page 3. I'll just give a glance of the matter, Lord. What has happened, my Lordship? A suit of eviction was filed at the first instance. It proceeded ex parte. Ex parte decree was, I'm the defendant there. Eviction decree was drawn up. First appeal was carried. The eviction decree was reversed and the both on merit and both on technical ground, the appeal was allowed. The plaintiff who obtained the ex parte decree did not challenge that decree of the first appellate court. For the second time, second suit was filed for the same period, seeking eviction. The trial court, taking into account section 11 of CPC, res judicata, dismissed the suit. The first appellate court have reversed it. The first appellate court ignored several things. So the first and foremost is, during the penance of appeal, one of the party died. In a dead man file, the appeal was allowed. So 21, item number 21, I've taken that down. It can't be done. It's an alibi, Lord. There are orders of our court, there are orders of our Supreme Court. And apart from there, other grounds of section 11, the trial court rightly held the second suit to be not maintainable in terms of section 11. Because the first suit was for the same period. In the first suit, initially they got ex parte decree, but that was reversed. The order of the district judge in the first suit was not assailed. They have accepted it. It attained its finality. Second suit leads to same period. Same period. So these are the pure question of law, my lordship, where the second appeal needs to be thrashed out. But today, my lordship, I have an arguable case. On these questions, my lordship, the appeal needs to be admitted, my lordship.
That is item 16.
16 and 21.
21 same matter,
Same.
connected.
But it's connected.
Okay, take off. But the learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. Para. After hearing the learned counsel for the applicant, the following substantial questions of law are formulated. You type in from page 3, A to up to page 8, okay? A, B, C, D. Stop. Admit the appeal. Issue notice on the respondents. You will take steps.
No, normal under the appeal, it's will be called by the department. I'll
No,
wait for the question.
That will call.
Yes, then I'll prepare, department has to prepare or I can prepare, both the way.
But how about the respondent notice?
But I'll put the requisites in the department.
Oh, okay. Applicant to take steps for service of notice on the respondents. Call for the record LCS. Stop. 1 week after 1 month,
After 1 week.
release the matter after 1 month. Any interim?
Yes, because order 41-5 is there. Since the interim judgment is in the form of eviction, the order is states from its operation. Order 41-5 is pending. Please scan.
Till the next returnable date. The impugned judgment and decree. Dated 31/7/2025.
Stated for 31st of July 2025.
31/7/20 passed in after April R number 03 of 2010 by the learned additional district judge Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair shall remain suspended. Same order in the other one?
20, same.
Same substantial.
Yes, same judge.
Same order. Yeah, let us see the item 21. Item 21, same substantial question of law.
There is point of death. Putting dependence one of the party.
That's why I'm so, yeah.
The additional ground is ground number not defined.
D.
That's as regards the death. If the dead man filed, the judgment into has been passed. But next is the same ground which I raised in the previous matter.
Yes. Item 21, page 7, A to A. Up to page 13. Okay. Same order?
Same judgment, the same judge, the same appeal. Extremely obvious.
Only the substantial question of law you change it.
Item number 17, 59 of 2025.
Time for the. Send as 15, you can number
It says, tomorrow it is coming up tomorrow.
Okay.
Item 18, facility 10 of 2025.
Just not to remember, meeting not.
Item 19, facility 10 of 2025.
I am for the respondent.
How for the petition, Lord, stay is mathematically taken upon from target.
Friday. Okay. On request made by the learned counsel for the applicant, list on 21st.
Blair.
20, facility 11 of 2025.
This will be taken up on 19 or 20. I don't know, 19 or 20.
20.
Item 22, facility 18 of 2025.
What is item 22? Maybe take up in next week. When the paper books are ready, my lord, I will file it in the registry during this week, and I saw the copy to the other side.
It can be taken, it takes.
Paper books are ready.
You are for the appellant.
Appellant, my lord.
Learned counsel for the appellant is permitted to file paper book within within this week. List on 26th.
Item 23,
23 and 24 same orders, madam. This is also.
Same like 22?
Yes, Mr. Paper books are ready in this.
And you want it on same day?
Yes, ma'am.
Same order.
item 25, facility 2025.
This matter I'm appearing for the senior counsel should be appearing from Tamil Nadu Friday matter. I pray that matter may fix on Friday, paper book, everything is ready for hearing.
On request.
My lord, because of ill health, I have handed over all the files to the different lawyer. This is the only file pending with me in which I was appointed by the honorable court itself. I am waiting for the gentleman for the income tax department to come and advise me or tell me anything or brief me. Nobody is coming forward. I will be sending the file through post to the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax.
So you want a longer adjournment?
No, I will send the file to the other side, to the respondent. Because of ill health, I could not conduct the case. Therefore, I have handed over all my remaining files to the panel lawyer. This is the only brief in which I was appointed by this honorable court. So I will be handing over the file to the.
So you'll be handing it over to the department.
I will be handing
Again, you have to take steps to engage another lawyer.
Let them, my lord. Let them.
So let it come up before the next circuit bench.
My lord.
That will be
In
best.
the meantime, I will be.
For the learned counsel for the appellant. Learned counsel for respondent submits that due to his ill health, he cannot take up the matter. And he would be returning the files to the concerned department. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter before the next
My
circuit
lord.
bench.
My lord.
Number 26, 37 of 2025.
26, my lord, I appear on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
And for the other.
It's taken up tomorrow. It's otherwise ready. It can be taken up tomorrow.
So not today.
No.
Not today.
Not, just not. That is accommodation.
Item number
Mount
27,
any cases on this?
facility 39 of 2025.
27, my lord, I appear on behalf of the respondents, no?
This can
All the
be on
respondents.
19. 19.
On request made by the learned counsel for the appellant, list on 19th.
Item number 28, facility 44 of 2025.
28, Maharaj.
Lord, I am appearing for the appellant. I have served to the other side, Lord, I am filing the affidavit service. It has been filed during the course of the day, my lord. I just, not today, not tomorrow, I will file the affidavit service to the response. Just make it not today. Because in terms of the earlier direction, we have to serve the notices to the respondents. We have done, not because that is in Camel Bay.
So you want it not today?
Not today, no, I filed the affidavit service during the course of the day, let me take up.
Not today.
Item number 29, committee 46 of 2025.
On 20th of this month, this can be taken up.
2-0.
2-0.
Okay. On request made by learned counsel for the appellant,
My lord, I'm appellate.
list on 20.
Item 30, committee 47 of 2025.
My lord, I am for the appellant, my lord.
I am for the petitioner.
So you are appellate.
She's the appellant. or- You are appellant
I am for the appellant, my lord.
and he's the petitioner.
He is for the
I'm for the
respondent.
respondent.
That's
So, my lord, the two can applications are there, my lord, section 5. First, my lord, section
Can one.
5, yes, my lord. Can one, section 5 application, my lord.
how many days?
208 days dealing.
Your lordship, the thing here is, your lordship, the petitioner had applied for a tribal certificate. He's a minor.
No, you have any objections
I have
to,
no objection, your lordship.
have you filed your objections?
I have not filed my objection.
File your
I'll seek
objections
time
then.
for it.
10-1. Third, learned counsel for the appellant. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number,
Sole respondent.
on behalf of the sole respondent, praised for how much time?
No, my lord, two respondents are there, mother and daughter.
For both the
Both the
respondents.
For the respondents,
A week's time.
praised for a week's time to file objections. Today's 15th. So that- List on. We have 27th November.
Applied.
Public.
Item number 31, committee of 2025.
My lord, item number 31, my lord, I will be appearing on behalf of the respondents, all the respondents.
Any date which appeals to my lord, either on 24th or 25th.
But my lord, I have not received a copy of the appeal, my lord. The
Service has
memo.
been effected to the authority, I will just spare my adversary. That's not a big issue.
Here for the respondent.
And for the respondents, all the.
Learned counsel for the appellant shall furnish a copy of the appeal memo to the learned counsel appearing for the respondents within the course of the
In
day.
course of today.
Within course of the day, stops. Lists the matter on. Witness here, no? 26th.
Similarly.
Item number 32, here 5 of 2024, with grant 2 of 2025.
For the state responded, the appeal against conviction under POX 6 sections. So, counsel for the appeal and Alokesh Shatar used to appear
Where is he?
in fine. Moreover, that appeal was admitted, Lordship.
Let us see the report.
Appeal was admitted, direction for paper, but not received yet. Direction.
You're the appealant to take the paperwork, yes, not the department. Next is shorter.
What is this grant and suspension proceedings?
Where's Cran? Well, happy day after tomorrow. with information. None appears for the applicant. List the matter.
My sin is appearing on behalf of SLX, my lord. There's an application of suspension of sentence, my lord. Under section 6 of POXO Act.
Which application ran?
Right.
My lord, the court agrees the judgment and order conviction dated 24th September 2021 passed by a special judge POXO Northern Middle Andaman, my lord. But petitioner stated that he is under detention of.
This appeal is admitted or not?
Admitted lordship, section 5 allow, today they have filed a petition for suspension of the sentence. Appeal admitted, there is a paper book direction also.
Paper book? Department is prepared?
Department.
Mhm. Is it ready? Paper book is ready? LCRs received. Is it recorded in the order that LCRs have come?
Order dated 13 June 2025, lordship. 13 June 2025.
Have you served copy on the victim?
No, actually. I serve the copy of others.
Twenty-seven. Oh. Yes. Paper book is not ready. Any note from the department? Any endorsements in the departments? Regarding paper book? For the time being? Okay. Just a minute.
Lost.
And 33, we can go to and for the petitioner, my lord. This is an order passed by the Honorable Division Bench, whereby a gratuity tribunal has passed an award. Against that, they prefer a petition which was dismissed, then they prefer a division appeal before the division bench. They committed that they want to withdraw and they want to pay the amount. They have paid only the interest of 10%. Rather, they have to pay the balance 5%, which they are not paid, because that matter was before the concerned court. And one of the judges become retired. As such, the matter has been listed before the lordship for consideration.
Give the file. You are for the
petitioner. This is the Punjab National Bank, my lord, is the opposite.
Notice.
pen is not even taken up by us. One of the honorable judges, both of them are in the. Whose order is this? Oh, yes. So since Justice Gupta was part of original judgment is available, this C pen is not to be taken up by us.
Okay. Then what order do we?
We'll release it.
Yes. We are releasing it from our list.
Yes.
Because one of the judges still.
Yes, ma'am. Because it was in the principal bench as one of the judge was not retired, so it has been relegated.
No, no, to pass orders, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
The mandatory release it.
Yeah.
But the registry will directed to place it this map before the consent judge so that.
Yeah. The department is directed to list this case before the appropriate bench.
Blair.
Right. One minute. That other matter? 32?
Next week
That possible matter?
नहीं नेक्स्ट वीक करवा दो सर उसके बाद करवा देंगे उनको इसको नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए बोलो शायद नेक्स्ट वीक में नहीं करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नहीं करेंगे शायद
We will close the live streaming. How long will it take?
Next circuit. By the end of the circuit, they will be ready.
Okay, pull up the item 32 again.
Item 32. Item 32. Item 32.
Crane is for suspension of the order, isn't it? Once suspension happens, what happens? Automatically he's released. Then a bail application is required, isn't it?
Already, 4 years, 9 months is. The suspension, on the suspension of sentence version.
Suspension of sentence amounts to releasing him.
Yes.
Isn't it? The one bail applications.
In that case, do you not have to file a bail application with the suspension of sentence prior?
No,
You don't file?
no,
Not here.
no.
Separate bail application is not filed.
Before file the appeal, along with that, once it's submitted, you are given liberty to pray for suspension. Under the old 389 CRPC, an application will be filed, which is another crime application. That itself constitutes release on.
Okay.
So no separate application is required. 389, the minute the sentence is suspended, he is released. The court imposes conditions and releases. With the satisfaction of the court.
Then we can pass. Then we can pass off. Grant.
Because your lordship would see the conviction is not suspended, it's only the sentence.
Only the sentence is paying only for sentence. give us a main file also. When was this appeal admitted? '27 1. Just simply plus one line order or to give reasons.
Sentences suspended.
It says appeal is admitted on so and paper book is not ready.
Person is released of bail condition on the previous sentence.
Okay. Take down.
And he was convicted for life for committing offense under section 6 of Box. I have a strong objection to do because just 4 to 5 years in judicial custody. Life conviction was given.
You have objections?
Strong objection.
Then let him file his objections. Then you file your objections here.
Then I will file.
In CRAN 2 or CRAN 2, isn't it? Yeah. Heard the learned counsel for the appellant. Mr. You're the government advocate. Learned.
Appeal of grant that I was in the application for suspension. In appeal of need to file the position then.
Objections, if you want to file. Place it on record. Place it on record. That is better for you. Learned State Council. Praise for 1 week. 2 weeks. Praise for a week's time to file objections. Stop this before the circuit bench. Next circuit bench.
Getting list for division bench.
You can let them stop the live streaming. You stop the live streaming. Stop the live streaming.